Hi, I'm Chef Gail Sokol and welcome to my kitchen. Well, I love spring and I love lemons, and lemons just speak to me and say bright and fresh, and I love to decorate things with lemons. And the one thing that I have made in the past that you've seen me on videos is candied lemon peel. But I like candied lemon slices. They're gorgeous. You see them in these fancy shops and they're delicious. They're chewy. You can cover them in sugar if you want to, and you don't even have to, but they are scrumptious. And all you need is lemon and some sugar and water. That's all you need, but you do need a little time. But before we get started, I want you to click that notification button because I want you to become a subscriber. I don't want you to miss any of my tips or videos because they're pretty good. And I like having you with me in my kitchen because it's like having a friend with me. So, very simple. This has to do with not necessarily baking, but it's baking adjacent because you can use it on your cakes and cookies and pies for decoration. And you can also use it in your cocktails, folks, because we're going to be making a simple syrup that actually will be infused with incredible lemon flavor. So the first thing I'm going to do is make a simple syrup, okay? I'm going to use half a cup of water. It's usually equal parts water to granulated sugar. So I have half a cup of water and I have half a cup of granulated sugar. That's it. That's your simple syrup. But you have to cook it for about 1 minute at high heat. It'll come to a boil, and you want all those sugar crystals to actually melt down. And you'll see them. They'll go from white granular to clear. It'll look like a clear liquid. And it will get more and more viscous. This is sort of how you would make something like caramel, only you would add more sugar and less water. But right now, we're doing this because we are going to cook our lemon. And we're not going to cook it whole. We're going to slice it super thin. So I'm waiting for my water and sugar to come to a boil. This is a simple syrup. This is something a bartender would do to create simple syrups for various drinks. And a baker would do if they're going to brush various flavors on cake layers. You can infuse this with vanilla, alcohol, liqueurs, anything you wanted. But we are going to actually infuse it with our lemon. And it's going to cook our lemon at the same time. So the one thing I did want to tell you is, although I'm using half a cup of water, half a cup of sugar, on my recipe on my website, I've doubled it. So instead of just making 1 lemon's worth of candied lemon slices, you're going to make 2 lemons. So the recipe calls for 2 lemons, 1 cup of water, and 1 cup of sugar. So it's just a 1-to-1. You can make as much or as little as you want. But I'm doing it here just so we don't have to be inundated with lemon slices. All right, already it's coming to a boil. So you can see very little of the sugar crystals. They're actually melting into the water. We want it to come to a boil. Not necessarily a rolling boil, but a boil so that enough of the crystals are literally, you can't see them anywhere. And it is now boiling. I'm just swirling my pan. And in the meantime, I have taken 1 lemon. I've cut the ends off, and you can do it on a mandolin or you can just do it with a large chef's knife. And I did it with a large chef's knife because I like the way they came out. They're about 1/8 of an inch thick. I removed all the seeds. Some lemons did not have seeds, so this is already a rolling boil right now. You can see it, rolling boil. And I'm just letting it go for about 1 minute. And I cut these. They made quite a few, so if you only wanted to do the half recipe, that's fine, which is the one I'm making for you, the half a cup of water, half a cup of granulated sugar. We're at a rolling boil, and I'm just letting everything cook a little bit to get that simple syrup going. And this is where a bartender would take this off the heat and put it in a container, and it would be good for a few weeks. And they could use it in lemonades, and flavor it, or just use it as a sweetness, a sweet flavoring agent for their drinks. So now I'm going to turn my heat down a little bit, and I'm going to put my sliced lemons, as many as it makes, into my very, very hot water. And you want it to stay so that it is simmering. And let me show you. I'm going to put all these in here. If I had more lemons, I would actually use a larger pot. But you want this on here. All right, and you're just going to cover all these lemon slices, cover them all. And you're going to let these stay like this. You're going to actually let all these lemons be covered with this simple syrup, and you're going to cook them until the white of the rind, you can see the rind right here, how white it is and thick. It's going to become translucent, and you will barely see any white. It'll get almost clear, not quite clear, but opaque and translucent. So you want to get these at a simmer, not at a full boil. So I'm just waiting and just sort of rotating the lemons to coat them. And what we're doing is we're candying them. That is what, now it's way too high, so I'm closing down the heat a little bit. And this, because it is an induction, it's super receptive to what I do and reactive to what I do. Sometimes I find if you cut your lemons too thin, this is what happens. The middle comes out. We don't want that. So I'd say about 1/8 of an inch, and use a knife and just be patient. And just, you don't have to rotate them all around. You do not have to. But I'm just getting the proper amount of heat, just so that they are simmering. Because if you boil them too much, you're going to boil the inside, those little juicy segments out, and you're not going to end up, you're going to end up just with a round peel and not your beautiful lemon slice. So you're going to let this go at just a bare simmer, which is barely any bubbles. So just see those little bubbles, bare simmer, for about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on how big your lemon is. So if your lemon is massive and the rind is really, really thick, you might need that hour. But just keep looking at them. Just sort of let them simmer. You don't have to touch them too much. You can take, I took my tweezers, these are kitchen tweezers. These are not another type of tweezer to remove, any type of a splinter. And then, or you could use like a little knife or tongs. But big tongs are going to destroy the lemon, so be very gentle. Or even a chopstick or something that will flip them over. But just let them simmer in there 45 minutes to an hour. You gauge whether the lemon slice is translucent or not. Once we've come for 45 minutes to an hour, we're going to take it off the heat. They've been coated with this syrup and cooking. We're going to put them in the oven at 200 degrees for another hour so they dry out. We're going to put them on a cooling rack set over a sheet pan lined with foil. And they're going to get beautiful and sort of chewy and absolutely delicious. And they'll keep in the refrigerator for about a month. They'll keep at room temperature, covered in an airtight container, for about a week. So I'm cooking my lemon slices, and I will see you back between 45 minutes and an hour. All right, I'll see you back. So my candied lemon slices have been simmering in our sugar syrup for between 45 minutes and an hour. Mine's been about an hour. It looks beautiful. I have preheated my oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a very low oven. All we're doing is trying to dry them out. Now, I'm going to show you what they look like. They're very candied and very fragile. So you want to drip any excess sugar syrup off and lay them on like a cooling rack, any type of a rack that you would have, that you would set over a sheet pan covered in either You could do wax paper, you could do foil. Actually, wax paper is not a good idea. It is going to go in a low oven, although it would not probably disintegrate at that temperature. You're going to drip off, let the excess simple syrup come off of it, and you can see how beautiful they look. See how translucent that rind got? Very from white to translucent. Okay, drip. Drip, drip, drip. And you're just going to leave them spaced out. And then you're going to put them in the oven for an hour at 200 degrees. I like an hour. I don't like it less because I really want them to dry out. They're not going to get crispy. Don't think you're going to be crunching on the lemon slices. They're going to be sort of chewy and gooey. Some people like to roll them in sugar. I'm not going to roll them in sugar because if you roll them in sugar, they're going to get hygroscopic, which means the sugar is going to attract moisture the minute it's on there, and it's going to become wet and gummy. These eventually will get wet and gummy the longer you keep them at room temperature. So you want to keep them, maybe at room temperature, separated by wax paper in an airtight container for at most a week. And if you're going to keep them longer, you want to put them in the refrigerator. Now this glorious gold syrup there, that is simple syrup that you do not throw out. Do not throw out, friends. Keep that, cool it down. You can add it to your beverages, iced tea. You can add it to anything where you want a little zippity doo-dah from lemon. It would be extraordinary. Even over a little pound cake, it would be delicious. So I'm going to take my lemons and I'm going to put them in a 200-degree oven for exactly 1 hour. Take them out and you're going to cool them, and they will firm up a little bit as they cool, and then you're going to store them, and I will see you back. So my candied lemon slices came out of the oven and they've dried and they are scrumptious looking. I can put them on top of a cake. I can put them, as a decoration anywhere I want. I can make a little tiny cut in here and just put them into something like on the top of a glass of iced tea, or maybe a Long Island iced tea, or something, mocktailish or cocktailish. But they're so beautiful. I love to put them on cakes, and I love to just sort of show, give a little fun garnish on stuff just to elevate it, zhuzh it up a little. So I hope you make my candied lemon slices. I hope you become a subscriber. Until next time.